Hey everyone,
We will explain to you ratio and proportion.
I am Volantino Comodas and I will explain its proportion.
I am King Osleg Escatalo and I will explain ratio. Ratio. The comparison of two values. Tell us how one value related to another value. Ratios can be written in three ways. Using colon, as a phrase, using each as a fraction. Ratios of units. Units that tell what is being valued by the ratio. Example, 10 teachers, 40 students. The units are teachers and students. 19 girls, 21 boys. The units are girls and boys. 2 dogs, 4 cats. The units are dogs and cats. Ratios also can be simplified instead of large amount of values. So, 1,350,000 blue pink pants and 1,250,000 pink pink pants can be converted to 135 blue pink pants and 125 pink pink pants.
In the statement, the two ratios are equal. It is an equation with ratio in each side. Example, 15:20 is equal to 3:4. 40:60 is equal to 2:3. 11:110 is equal to 1:10. 13:39 is equal to 1:3. We can know if two ratios are proportional or not in three ways. Number 1, by cross multiplication. We can use cross multiplication if the two ratios are written as a fraction. Example, 13:39 is equal to 1:3. We will cross multiply it by multiplying 13 by 3 and multiplying 39 by 1. 13 multiplied by 3 is equal to 39, and also 39 multiplied by 1 is equal to 39. So 39 is equal to 39, so that means it is proportional. Number 2, multiplying by can be used when written as a phrase or using a colon. Example, 40:60 is to 2:3. We will multiply the means, which is 60 and 2. And we will also multiply the extremes, which is 40 and 3. 40 multiplied by 3 is equal to 120, and also 60 multiplied by 2 is equal to 120. 120 and 120 is equal, so it means that it is also proportional. Third, division can be used either of the three. Example, 15:2, 15:20 is equal to 3:4. We will divide 15 to 20 and we will divide 3 into 4. 15 divided by 20 is equal to 0.75. And also 3 divided by 4 is equal to 0.75. That means 0.75. It means that both are equal to 0.75, so it's proportional. Rational equation are equivalent problems of proportions that have a value that should be defined. Number 1, cross multiplication. 13:n is equal to 1:2. We should find the value of n. So what we're gonna do is multiply 13 to 2 because n multiplied by 1 is not compatible. And 13 multiplied by 2 is equal to 26. So what we're gonna do is we will divide 26 into 1. 26 divided by 1 is equal to 26. So the value of n will be 26. The answer for this rational equation is 13:26 is to 1:2. Number 2, multiplying means and extremes. Example, 20:60 is equal to 1:n. What we're gonna find is n. We will multiply the means, which is 60 and 1. 60 multiplied by 1 is equal to 60. And 20 multiplied by n is not compatible, so we will divide 60 to 20. 60 divided by 20 is equal to 3. So the value of n is equal to 3. The rational equation answer will be is to 60 is equal to 1 is to 50. Then, division. N is to 20 is equal to 4 is to 5. 20 multiplied by 80, 20 multiplied by 4 is equal to 80. And n multiplied by 5 is not compatible, so we will divide 80 to 5 and the answer will be 16. So the value of n is equal to 16.
Thank you for watching.
We hope that you learned something